Yada yada and yada broad. When it comes to appliances, large and small, the number one appliance we Jamaicans always ship is a TV. And the number one question we always get asked by our customers is what's the cost to ship a TV? On our website, on the homepage, look at the lower right hand corner. By the way, that's your right, my left. Just click on television. You'll see that the country is divided into different delivery zones. The prices listed on our website is just a ballpark figure to get you going. So, if you like to ship a TV, just reach out to our customer service team. We would love to hear from you.